Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy October. I'm super excited to share with you what is in my everyday makeup bag or basket. If you have been following me for long, I do kind of beauty videos, mommy lifestyle, Amazon type content. So be sure to subscribe to stay up to date for more videos. But today I'm going to go through my makeup basket of kind of what I've been using on an everyday basis. This has been stored in my bathroom now. I have a bigger makeup collection upstairs. But with having 2 kids right now, this is all I really need in my makeup brushes. So let's get into what I use. So the first thing I do every day is my eyeshadow. So I am now using my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. And this is perfect to kind of set and kind of make a base for your eyeshadow, for your kind of eyelids to kind of all be one color, your eyeshadows to kind of stick and blend a little bit easier. This stuff is amazing. I also really like the Wet n Wild one as well. Then I have a big kind of Z palette in here. What I mainly focus on is this eyeshadow right here, and that is, I believe, Fresh from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Right there. So there's a super big dip going on. I also have a couple other eyeshadows in here as well. Some from Stila, some from Anastasia Beverly Hills that I dabble here and there with as well. But mainly what I've been working on, and my Pan That palette for this year, I will link my playlist, is my Charlotte Tilbury Instant Eye palette in Pillow Talk. If you can hear baby noises, I have a baby Madeline right next to me for filming today. But I have been using this. It's kind of what's on my eyes now. And this is currently where I'm at with that. So hit pan and used this shade up already. Goal is to try and finish this one up very soon. And I'm getting some good dips in these two right there. So that's kind of what I've been wearing on an everyday basis. I do that Fresh shade all over. I've been going in with one of these 2 shades from Desk for the crease shade, and then I'll go in with one of the 2 darker browns for the outer corner. Kind of depends day or night look what I'm going for, and then I'll use this shade all over right now. Haven't really been dabbling with anything else really. That's kind of just been my go-to when I do want to wear eyeshadow. So then what I do right after that is I work on my face. So something really easy for me to throw on right now is from Wet n Wild. This is the Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator. I have the shade Light Medium, and right now you can get this from Target as well as Ulta, which is really nice, cruelty free. Really like the easy use of it. I just kind of apply it with my fingers, rub it in, and I'm good to go. No primer necessary for this product. And then for concealer, my Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Light Neutral is what I use, and I will dab it on the back of my hand, apply it underneath my eyes, around my nose, any kind of blemishes, things like that. This is a lifesaver. I love this concealer, so that is always with me. So to set everything really easy, really affordable, is my Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. So it looks stark white, but it is translucent on the skin, and I just use a big fluffy brush to apply it all over to set my makeup. I have been dabbling with my bronzer lately, and I have been reaching for my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Don't have it on today, but I have used it here and there. That is what that looks like. It has a hint of cocoa. I remember back like years ago when I was using this, that this was like hardcore smell of cocoa. It's not as strong anymore, even when I like first purchased it. So that's kind of a bummer because that was like my favorite part. But this is kind of my favorite bronzer at the moment. And blush, my go-to blush that I'm wearing now, wear almost every single day, is my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Chic to Chic Pillow Talk. This is the Swish and Glow, so it kind of looks like, you know. And so I just use a blush brush to go all the way around, and I'll apply it that way. And then highlight, I will pop it right there. And then I also use that highlight to kind of get right inside my eyes, just to make it pop and kind of everything look cohesive as well. So really been loving that blush with the bronzer. And then we are almost done, guys. Like I said, this is really easy, quick look for me that I've been doing. Then I go in to finish up my eyes. I have my Stila. This is the Stay All Day liquid eyeliner. And if you've been following me, I have compared this to many different liquid eyeliners here on my channel. I will link the battle kind of playlist up above. I've done NYX, I've done Kat Von D, a Lime Life one. So check those videos out. This one's still my favorite by far, so I use that. My mascara right now is the Maybelline Rocket Mascara. This is the Volume Express. I have the shade like dark black waterproof, and that is what's on my eyes now. This is okay. It's not my favorite, but I definitely would repurchase it if I was like at Target or the drugstore and needed a mascara. So that is what I've been using and enjoying. It's not like a favorite, but it's not a bust, if you know what I mean. And then I have my brow product. This is the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara in the shade Brownie Brows. Super easy to use. It kind of has like a little mascara wand, if you can see right there. And I just kind of apply it to my brows real quick. It kind of helps set your brows as well as give it some nice overall color as well. And then the last thing I have in here is a lipstick. I have kind of a basic lipstick in here. This is kind of everything I took to the hospital as well for a quick, easy look. Didn't wear any makeup though for the hospital. We had one visitor, my husband's dad, just due to COVID reasons. But this is just the original Pillow Talk shade. And it's literally my favorite. I have Pillow Talk Intense for a little bit darker, which I might reach for a little bit more now we're getting into fall time. But that is everything, my essentials for this everyday makeup bag for kind of everyday mom life right now. And it has been working for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll keep you guys up to date with any different products and stuff that I try, but definitely loving these and just an easy quick look for when I need to get out and go with 2 kids. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye. Stumbling out of bed and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that